Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum, we are trading at $1,627, 24-hour volume. We're up 1.53%, and market cap, we are up 4.37%. All right, so heading over to the chart here, I have switched over instead of candles into Heikin-Ashi candles here. And again, we can see beautiful trend itself and easier to see this trend. The last video that I was talking about yesterday was seeing these high wick candles and essentially coming up to the 1596 in the next couple of hours. And it looks like we've actually surpassed it as high as the 1664. So amazing, amazing to see. One of the things that we do want to note down on our daily chart here is these two numbers at 61% and 50% of our fib chart. Taking a look, of course, sorry, we're going to add in this area here of 161 from our previous one. So these targets itself has tested on this day and this day and this day. So the last 3 days, we were able to, again, hold down the body of this candlestick in these three measures. So if the price, again, comes down, we are going to retest these three areas of our fib chart and see if it can be able to hold that level of support to gather more data for the future instances. So a few things here that we can be able to see. The MACD indicator is continuing to grow. So momentum itself is growing, okay? Parabolic SAR, we can see at the very bottom here, these few dots here is still showing that there was a buying opportunity that we are still currently in. If we were to see any red candlesticks in the Heikin-Ashi candlesticks, then we would be able to say, okay, maybe the wave is over, maybe this uptrend is over. It's not as powerful, or the momentum's not as powerful, but we haven't seen that quite yet for our daily chart. So price itself is still going to come up, and we've already seen it at 127. So in the marketplace, we are going to see that pullback, that correction in today. So tread very, very lightly here. And the RSI itself is at 77%. If I scroll out, if we can see the last time that the price pulled back at a high RSI here, we can see here high as 63%, or here high as 76%. So we're already closer to that 76% at 77%, but we don't see the crossover opportunity with our D line here. We can see the yellow line, which is the D line, hasn't signaled a selling opportunity. It is vastly far away from us. So momentum itself is going to increase. Now, enough for me to talk about our daily chart. Let's go over to our 2-hour time frame. First, sneak peek on the 4-hour time frame here. We can see a few things. I'm just going to note down really quick here is parabolic SAR is still showing us very good indicator of the momentum. However, the MACD indicator may be showing us the trend may be over, even though it is just a small little trend here. It happens in the marketplace a whole lot where we see these small little trend changes and it doesn't stay that long. So it's natural for the MACD indicator to only have a few bars, maybe even in one instance of just having one bar and then seeing that crossover. So here we see that the lines itself is closer together, meaning that the momentum is not going to break out all of a sudden in a huge wave. It's not going to break out in a huge breakout. As we can see here at this peak level, the RSI breached in overbought territory here, over 80% at 81% itself. And I don't know why I don't have the K line in here. And we can see that, the D line here, the yellow line is getting closer together. So it may initiate in a couple of hours for a 4-hour time frame, that selling opportunity, bringing the Heikin-Ashi candles from this green over to the red. And if we take a look at high area interest right here at 23%, which is at 1532. So price may want to retrace down to this level here. Now going into 2-hour time frame, here we go, you guys. We already see it. We already see some of our candles in the red, even though parabolic SAR indicator is showing us dots at the very bottom here. This is a hint that the price itself may come back down and trigger a sell signal. We already see it in the RSI overlap of our K and our D line, and another confirmation MACD momentum is going down. So be prepared for Ethereum to come down in terms of price. And again, we can see roughly around the 15 for a few candlesticks over here earlier Wednesday, October 26th. October 26th here was able to hold that area. So just be very, very careful today. Let me know what you guys think down below. Like and subscribe to the channel as well, but I'll see you next time. Bye.